BG One Day is a pretty exciting time. I'm really excited to donate to our athletic students here. It's really important that we support these students as they play.
I support Falcon Athletics because I'm a 1987 alum and was a freshman when BG won the national championship in hockey, and I've been hooked ever since. Really enjoy coming to the games. It's a great atmosphere and a great family feeling with Falcon Athletics.
I've been invested in BGSU Athletics since 1976-77 season, my freshman year. I'm an alum. I got my master's degree here. I bleed brown and orange.
I support BGSU Athletics because I've been a season ticket holder for hockey and football for over 20 years, and this university's done so much for me. Definitely well worth my time, and excited to be involved.
It's part of the big picture. It's the whole adventure. It's all about the culture and the kids. These kids do a terrific job. We love supporting BGSU, any athletics. We encourage folks to get out and support them.